Hi everyone, it's Mel here and welcome back to Mel's Blind Life, the YouTube channel all about blindness. So in today's video, I'm going to do kind of a grocery haul, but I'm also going to explain how I organize my refrigerator. Hi, this is Mel Stevens. Welcome back to Mel's Blind Life, the YouTube channel all about blindness. So as I said to you in my previous two videos and my blog post, I will link all of my social media down in the description down below. I'm starting a new kind of regime for my channel here. And doing some different kinds of videos for you guys. Every Monday fortnight I will be doing a grocery haul. Every Tuesday fortnight I will be doing, so every alternate Tuesday fortnight I will be doing either dinner meals for the week or a specific recipe out of that fortnight. Then on Thursdays I'm going to be doing videos about general blindness, for which I will be answering your questions. So please remember to ask me any questions you like about general blindness. And then on Sundays, I will also be doing videos about orientation and mobility and guide dog related things. So as I said, today's video, I'm going to discuss and show how I set up my fridge. So let's get started. Hey everyone, so here is my fridge. It is a Kelvinator. I bought it for just under 100. I think it was either just under 100 or just about 180. I think just under $200 from my local Better Electrical store down in Kyneton. I will try and find a link in the description to that. And it is a fridge on the bottom and a freezer up the top. So let's see what is in a blind girl's fridge. Open up the freezer section first. And the first thing that we see is the two shelves. So there's only two shelves inside, and then there's a door shelf. So in the door shelf, we've got some lactose-free shredded cheese. I've got a couple of packets of bacon rind, like bacon rind stuff. So I've got 2 packets of that, and then I've got some corned beef. And then in the top shelf, we've got some chicken Kiev. I've got a packet of chicken breast down there. You can't see very well. Then I've got a piece of T-bone steak, some hot dog rolls, and a box under there of, I don't actually remember what, probably fish, I would say. And then in the front here, I've got a chicken mignon. I've got a couple of slices of cafe-style raisin toast. I've got some more frozen cheese, which is actually the wrong part, but anyway. And then I've also got some hot cross buns, I don't know if you can see in the box there, and a half a packet of stir-fried vegetables. And then in the bottom shelf of the freezer, I've got that's another half a packet of stir-fried vegetables. I don't know why I've got 2 half packets instead of 1 whole packet. Some pieces of kangaroo fillet, a loaf of, oops, move that out of the way, a loaf of white bread, a box of donuts. I buy 12 cinnamon donuts. I stick them in the freezer and I defrost them and have them for snacks and dessert. A box probably of fish again. a leftover crust of white bread, which I will make into French toast one day, and some roast chicken, some frozen roast chicken that I will make into a dinner one day. And that is all that's in the freezer. And then in the fridge, in the top door shelf, I have some butter. I've got a bottle of ginger beer. I've got some, what are these things called? Inner Health Plus that I give my dog. Oops. Then I've got a little jar of minced garlic and some mayonnaise. Then in the second door shelf, I have my big 750ml water purifier jug. Then I have a blank space there where if I had some juice or some Coke or something, I would usually put a bottle of juice or a bottle of Coke or a bottle of wine, and then a litre of milk. So then in the shelves, in the top shelf on the very left hand side, I've got some eggs. Then I have yogurt and custard. And in the back there, I don't know if you can see, I've got a couple of beers. And then on the second shelf, I've got a packet of gnocchi, which you will see what I'm going to do with that in my next dinners video next week. And then I've got a bowl of roast chicken that I bought at the supermarket this morning that I need to make a recipe out of that's going with that gnocchi. And then on the third shelf, I've got another plate with some more roast chicken that I'm going to have for my lunch today. And then in the vegetable section, we have lots of vegetables. We've got broccoli, corn on the cob, 2 carrots, 2 pieces of corn on the cob actually, a zucchini, some snow peas, some field mushrooms. My fridge is getting upset. Some cauliflower, some capsicum, and all of those kinds of different things. That is the basics of what's in my main fridge and freezer, and now I'll show you what's in my little freezer. Over here in this corner of the room is my little freezer. I have 2 freezers because obviously the freezer section in the main fridge isn't very large, so that's why there's 2 of them. So in the top drawer here, which is somewhat overpacked, we've got a box of Ingham microwavable chicken nuggets. We have a packet of frozen chips. We have some either frozen peas and corn or frozen onion. I can't remember which one that is. Then we have the opposite one. We have either the peas and corn or the onion. We then have underneath all of that, I'll take that out for a sec. Underneath all of that, we then have a packet of 3 peas, corn, beans and broccoli frozen vegetable mix that you just stick in the microwave. So in the second drawer we have a box of party pies and sausage rolls. We've got more frozen vegetables, and underneath there I've got a random donut and a couple of packets of corn silverside. And then this very bottom drawer is currently empty, but I'm going to shove these nuggets in there. So I try and have things like vegetables and stuff in the top drawer, And then I try and have things that I can have for lunches, like party pies and that, in the middle and bottom drawers of this freezer. So that is virtually it for this video, guys. Of course, in my grocery haul, I did buy a few things other than just meat and veg. I also bought a whole ton of cat food. I bought a box of 12 sachets, and I also bought 6 cans of cat food. And then I just bought some personal essential things, some toothpaste and, you know, woman's things and that kind of thing. So all up at the groceries this morning, I probably spent about $100, I think it was. I also bought a roast chook, as you saw bits of it in the fridge. And next week, on Tuesday, I will be uploading a recipe in which I'm going to use that roast chicken and the gnocchi, and that will be up next Tuesday. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed how I organize my fridge and freezer as a blind person, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.